Oh, Eminem, bro.
What's up, dog?
You wanna make a song together? We'll blow up the trucks, fam. It's not a bad idea, innit?
Yeah, why not? You're not a bad rapper.
Oh, let's go. Alright.
Do you love me like I love you, like I love God? And my rap got to love me, and I don't need any lessons, self-esteem that I confession.
Alright, we don't need lessons, only bands. Chinese cars in a house in France, 100 baht for the man them. Entrepreneur, we can make it last. 150 days on two, my bro, that's it, he's one fly per day. I'm this, my fan, but no, I can't show them, cause I don't swing that way. UK rapper, my Nikon, but I've gone worldwide, that's how my crew gets paid. Top of the charts and platinum singles, that's how my chores get made.
I wanna make Haley proud, so hustle the baby made me doubt. You must know that a good show is a show when an artist sold meals to the crowd. I wanna make Haley proud, so hustle the baby made me doubt. You must know that a good show is a show when an artist sold meals to the crowd.
That was completely nuts, man, thanks.
Don't even trip, dog. You just keep doing what you do in Central C.